Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make protein powder at home for weight gain. Creating your own protein powder is a fantastic way to control ingredients and boost your calorie intake effectively. We will focus on combining high-quality protein sources with beneficial carbohydrates and healthy fats. This blend is designed to support muscle development and provide the extra energy needed for gaining weight in a nutritious way. You can customize it to your taste and dietary needs, ensuring a delicious and effective supplement. For your protein foundation, consider ingredients like milk powder, which offers a complete protein profile. You can also use plant-based options such as pea protein or soy protein isolates if you prefer. Nuts like almonds or peanuts contribute both protein and healthy fats, essential for calorie density. Adding seeds, such as chia or flax seeds, provides additional protein, fiber, and beneficial omega-3 fatty acids, making your powder more nutritious and effective for muscle repair and growth. To significantly boost your calorie intake, focus on adding nutrient-dense carbohydrates and healthy fats. Rolled oats are an excellent source of complex carbs, providing sustained energy. Dried fruits like dates or raisins offer natural sugars and quick energy. Healthy fats from ingredients such as coconut flakes or flax seeds are crucial for increasing calorie density without adding excessive volume. These additions ensure your homemade powder provides the necessary energy for weight gain and supports overall bodily functions. Once you have gathered all your chosen ingredients, the next step is to blend them. Combine all the dry components in a high-speed blender and process until you achieve a fine, consistent powder. Store this mixture in an airtight container in a cool, dry place for up to 2 weeks. To use, simply mix 2 to 3 tablespoons of your homemade powder with 1 cup of milk, water, or your favorite smoothie. Enjoy 1 or 2 servings daily to effectively support your weight gain journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.